What's up, what's up? I'm up. Halfway up the mountain. Just hanging out in the rock garden. Nice and peaceful in here. Oh, you can use the sun insects. There's some old bastard on his CRF301 cc. Right, let's just knob about for a bit then. Something to do. Oops, storage. I've just had a little run through there. That was fun. So what we're going to do now is up there near that tree. So look how soft this dirt is. It's great. And when it rains, it all gets tamped back down again, like I was never here. Going with that one, not really sure. Whoops, bit too soft now. Whoa, almost went off. Handy little bus stop. You gotta have a bus stop when you're hanging out, somewhere to smoke your roll-ups and drink your cider. Oh yes, thirsty business, tooling around in the jungle. Opa. What we got in here? Only one way to find out. There. I reckon. Oh, there's a little side trail. Running circles. That's nice. What's even nicer is I can do this. Well, I do this every day of the week. Now that is nice. Somebody on Facebook yesterday told me that I should go get a job. Why would I want to do that? Huh? What's a job gonna do? Oh dear, naughty rock, you just made me go where I didn't want to go. Nay brother, I'll just come down here then. Woo woo. I didn't even have a bicycle when I was a kid. Well I did, but I only had one pedal because we was poor and shit. I'm still poor now, but at least I'm having fun.